Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing awesome. In today's video, I'll show you how to review or check your iTunes Store account on your iPhone so you can see your purchase and account details. So for that, you will simply need an iOS device, that is iPad or iPhone. So you can do it right from your home. So let's get started to the video. Now simply go to settings and tap on your Apple ID profile and go to media and purchases. Now simply tap on media and purchases and simply tap on view account. Once you tap on view account, you will be asked to verify yourself with an Apple ID or a Touch ID or a password. If you do that, you will be inside media and purchase. Here you can manage your iTunes Store account settings. Tap on view account and you may need to enter your Apple ID or use Face ID. Once inside, you will see your purchase history, subscription, payment methods and country/region settings. You can also manage your Apple ID setting from here, that is media and purchase settings. And that's it guys. Reviewing your iTunes Store account is quick and easy on iPhone. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more Apple tips, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.